Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about what you should do 90 days before your cruise, right after this. Hey everyone, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, we're a small travel agency. We try to give you wonderful information so that you can plan and go on an amazing cruise vacation. If that sounds good, we would love for you to tap that subscribe button and come along with us. So today we are going over what you should do 90 days before your cruise. Be excited. You have a cruise planned. You're leaving in 90 days. It's super exciting. It's just 3 months out. So we're going to go through our favorite top 10 tips here. So we've also done a video of what to do right after you book your cruise, 6 months before your cruise. We're going to do 45 days, 21 days, 2 weeks, whatever. You know, you get it. So number one is pay off your cruise. It's due 90 days before you leave. So click on those final payments. Make sure everything's right before you do it. Make sure your names are spelled correctly. You got the right cabin. You got your travel insurance locked up. Everything's good to go. Good. One down. Next up, passport check. 6 months, you should have ordered your passport if you needed one. Make sure it's not going to expire while you're away or within the next 6 months. You want to be careful there. So make sure you have your passport. Everything's good. Number three, check visas and vaccines. Are you going to Europe? Are you going anywhere that you need a visa? Do you need to be vaccinated? Anything crazy? Not even COVID vaccinations, but any other vaccinations that you want to be aware of? Double check all those things. You only got a couple months left. Getting excited. Next up, number four, if you missed the 6 month mark where we gave you the tip to book your air and hotel, book your air and hotel. Make sure you have a pre-cruise hotel booked. Remember, our tip is not to fly in the day of the cruise. If you're driving, it's fine. But even if you are driving, sometimes it's nice to start your vacation a little early and book a hotel. So enjoy yourself. Splurge. It's vacation. If you can afford it. Of course, don't live above your means, people. Pro tips. So if you did miss that 6 month warning, make sure your air is booked. Make sure your hotel's booked. Make sure you're good to go. Another one, number five, lock in those excursions. We told you to do it at 6 months. If you haven't, you might notice that they've gone up in price or they're not there anymore. Like the drink package, which I kind of consider an excursion because it's in the thing. You know what I mean? But make sure you have everything locked in. The prices from now on are probably going to go up and those excursions are going to start disappearing. So make sure you're locked in. Number six, put together a checklist of items that you need to buy. I have certain things I take on every cruise with me. So I make sure I have Mentos. We go through so many Mentos. I don't know why, just on cruises. But Mentos, we go, make sure I have deodorant, toothpaste, floss, Meclizine in case you get seasick. I make sure I have Meclizine because it knocks out nausea really quickly. C-bands if they work for you. Dramamine if that works for you. Or Bonine or the patch, which I hate. But if that works for you, put a checklist together of the items that you need. You might need a brush, sunglasses, a hat. All of those little things that you will generally forget. Put together your checklist so that you're ready to go. You could start ordering things on Amazon. Lifewell Cruise has a couple really good videos. Ilana has of all the different things you need for your cabin, the magnets and all that stuff. It's awesome. So check those out. Number seven, do you have your luggage? Do you need a new piece of luggage? Do you have something fun? Do you have stickers for your luggage or anything that you might want or need there? Number eight, shore up your transfers. So if you're doing anything pre-cruise, if you need to ride to the airport, start thinking about how you're doing that. That should be in your budget of things that you're doing. So make sure you have that all squared away. 90 days out is also about the time I like to start thinking about shoring up my diet a little bit. So are you going for something special? Do you want to trim up so you could be on the pool deck looking sharp? You don't have to. You can live your best life. I'm just saying for me, sometimes if I'm going away and I know I'm going to be out and about, this is when I try to like slim down a tiny little bit because I also know I'm going to eat a ton on the cruise. So there. Also, this is a good time to start looking at experiences on the ship, the shows, the restaurants, so that you can get ready for our next video where you're going to start booking those things. So start looking at those things, start being aware of them. It's a good time to get aware of like what perks you have for your loyalty. Make sure you're all good to go there. That's it. 90 days out. This is your little list of things you should be doing. Do you have a favorite? Do you have another one that we didn't talk about here? Put it in the comments below. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to comment and let us know, and I'm happy to help answer those. And we will talk to y'all soon. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow.